Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to reset your Tenda A9 Wi-Fi range extender. Whether you're troubleshooting connection issues or setting up your extender from scratch, this reset process will help you get started fresh. Let's dive right in. First, locate the reset button on your Tenda A9 Wi-Fi range extender. You'll find it on the side of the device, next to the WPS button. The reset button is usually a small, recessed button, so you may need a paper clip or a pin to press it. Next, ensure your Tenda A9 is powered on. Plug it into an electrical outlet and wait for the indicator lights to stabilize. The power light should be steady before you proceed. Using a paper clip or pin, press and hold the reset button for 8 to 10 seconds. Watch for the indicator lights to start flashing, which confirms that the extender is beginning its reset process. Once the lights begin flashing, release the reset button. The extender will restart automatically. This process may take a couple of minutes. You'll know the reset is complete when the lights return to their normal state. With the reset complete, your Tenda A9 is now restored to its factory settings. To get it up and running again, you'll need to reconfigure it. Follow the setup instructions to connect the extender to your Wi-Fi network. You'll need to connect it to your Wi-Fi network again. Finally, test your connection by moving to the areas where you had poor Wi-Fi coverage. You should now have a strong, reliable signal thanks to your Tenda A9 extender. If you run